Hello, my name is Nora. I am 33 years old. I am a mother of 3 beautiful daughters. Their names are Emma, Grace, and Luna. This is my story. It is not just about me. It is also about my daughters, about love, sadness, and hope. When I was 24, I got married. My husband's name was Daniel. He was a kind man. He made me laugh, and he loved our family very much. After 1 year, our first daughter Emma was born. I was so happy. She had big eyes and a soft smile. 2 years later, Grace was born. She was a quiet baby and liked to look at the sky. Then came Luna. She was full of energy. She smiled all the time and made everyone happy. We lived in a small house. We were not rich, but we were happy. Then one night, something very sad happened. Daniel died in a car accident. He was driving home from work. I was waiting for him, but he never came back. That night, my world broke. I cried and cried. I felt alone and scared. But I looked at my daughters. They were so small. They needed me. So I stood up and told myself, I must be strong for them. Every day was hard. I had to cook, clean, work, and take care of the girls. Some nights, I cried in the bathroom. But in the morning, I smiled again, for them. Now, Emma is 9 years old. She loves reading books and learning science. Grace is 7. She loves painting. Our walls are full of her pictures, and Luna is 5. She loves singing and dancing. She makes us laugh every day. Our house is not perfect. It is a little messy. There are toys everywhere, but it is full of love, and that is enough. I want to tell all the mothers, you are strong. You are brave. And to all the people learning English, you are doing something amazing. Every time you learn a new word or speak a new sentence, you grow. Just like me, you are moving forward, even when life is hard. This is my story. Thank you for listening. And remember, your story matters too. Maybe you are feeling lost today. Maybe you are going through something very hard. You might be learning English and thinking, this is too difficult. Or maybe you are far from your family, feeling lonely. But please, don't give up. When my husband died, I thought my life was over. I did not know how I would raise 3 children alone. I was afraid. I was tired. I cried almost every night. But slowly, one day at a time, things got better. I learned how to fix small things in the house. I learned how to make money from home. I started working part-time. Sometimes I sell handmade clothes. Sometimes I cleaned other people's houses. It was not easy, but I did it for my daughters. There were days when I had no time for myself. But when I saw Emma studying, Grace painting, and Luna dancing, I smiled. Their laughter was my reward. Their happiness gave me strength. Every time life knocked me down, I found the strength to get up. I discovered that even in the hardest moments, there is always something worth fighting for. My daughters were the light in my darkest days. They didn't understand the weight of what I was going through, but they always knew how to make me smile, even when I felt like I couldn't smile anymore. Emma's curiosity, Grace's creativity, and Luna's joy. These were the reasons I kept going. I learned that being a mother is not just about taking care of your children's physical needs. It's about nurturing their spirits too. And in that process, I realized that I was growing too. I was learning new skills, not just for survival, but because I wanted to be the best version of myself for them. When I first started learning to work from home, it wasn't easy. I stumbled, I made mistakes, and sometimes it felt like I was going nowhere. But I didn't give up. Every time I sold a piece of handmade clothing or cleaned a house, I felt a sense of pride. It wasn't just about earning money. It was about showing my daughters that we could rise above the challenges we faced together. Now, when I look back, I am proud. I did not give up. I built a life again, not perfect, but full of love and lessons. And you too can do something great. You can become strong, even after pain. You can learn English, even if it's hard. You can build your future, even if your past was full of tears. Every day is a new page in your story. Write it with courage. If you ever feel weak, just remember, someone like me, an ordinary woman, a mother, a person with no special powers, stood up, kept going, and made her life beautiful again. And if I can do it, so can you.